Crossing the Danube, we leave the bustling streets of Pest behind and ascend into the historic hills of Buda, where the city's royal past comes to life. The easiest way to reach the summit is the historic funicular, which has been carrying visitors up to the royal palace since 1870. We enter the grounds of Buda Castle, a massive palace complex that was once the seat of Hungarian kings. Rebuilt many times over the centuries, the palace now houses the National Gallery and the Budapest History Museum. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. A short stroll through the charming medieval streets brings us to the heart of the Castle District. Matthias Church is a masterpiece of late Gothic architecture, famous for its striking roof of colorful ceramic tiles. Right next door is the Fisherman's Bastion, built in the early 20th century to celebrate the city's 1000th birthday. Its 7 white towers represent the 7 Magyar tribes that founded the nation in the late 9th century. It offers perhaps the most famous and breathtaking views of Budapest, overlooking the Danube and the majestic Parliament. Beyond the monuments, the district is filled with quiet lanes, hidden courtyards, and centuries of stories. We begin our descent, heading towards the southern end of Buda to climb its most iconic peak. Gellert Hill rises steeply from the riverbank, a natural limestone citadel standing guard over the city. The monument to St. Gellert marks the spot where the missionary was martyred, and a powerful waterfall cascades down the hillside. Nearby, hidden within the rock, is the Cave Church, a unique spiritual sanctuary founded by Pauline monks. The climb is steep, but every turn reveals a new perspective of the city expanding below us. At the summit stands the Citadella, a 19th century fortress built by the Habsburgs to dominate the rebellious city. Dominating the peak is the Liberty Statue, a symbol of freedom that can be seen from almost anywhere in Budapest. From here, the layout of the city is perfectly clear, with the Danube winding through the heart of the valley. As the sun dips below the Buda Hills, the golden light transforms the pearl of the Danube into a glowing masterpiece. The view from Buda at night is truly unforgettable, a reminder of why this city is often called the most beautiful in Europe. Our tour isn't finished yet. In part 3, we'll dive into the vibrant culture of the Jewish Quarter and explore the famous ruin bars. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.